You know that strange feeling? Your income goes up, you get a raise, maybe switch to a higher paying job, and for a moment, life feels lighter. But somehow, a few months later, you're back in the same place. Same stress, same pressure, same, why do I still feel broke? If this sounds familiar, you're absolutely not alone. And in this video, we're going to break down why this keeps happening, and more importantly, how you can finally break out of the cycle. By the end of this video, you'll see the hidden money traps that almost everyone falls into, and you'll learn the simple strategies that actually help you keep more of the money you earn, without feeling deprived or guilty. Let's start with the hardest truth. You don't feel broke because you earn too little. You feel broke because your life expanded faster than your income. When your income grows, your expectations grow with it. Your lifestyle grows with it. And quietly, without making any noise, your expenses grow with it too. New apartment, better phone, nicer places, upgraded habits, all of it feels normal because you can now afford it. But the reality? You never really got richer. You just got busier paying for a more expensive version of your old life. This phenomenon has a name: lifestyle inflation. And it affects almost everyone who starts earning more. It doesn't matter if you earn $2,000 a month or $20,000 a month. If your expenses grow at the same speed, your financial stress will always stay the same. But that's only the first reason you still feel broke. The second reason is something deeper. You got used to your new income way faster than you expected. Human brains are terrible at holding on to the feeling of progress. We adapt, we normalize. The raise that felt life-changing becomes just enough. The new salary becomes the new baseline. It's called hedonic adaptation, and it tricks you into believing you're not earning enough, even though you're earning more than ever. And here's something nobody talks about. When income increases, people start believing they deserve more comfort, more fun, more luxury. And yes, you do deserve nice things. Everyone does. But when "I deserve it" becomes your default reaction to stress or boredom, money slips away faster than you can track it. Another reason you feel broke is this: your financial life has no structure. Money comes in, money goes out, and nothing is being built. You're working harder but not seeing progress, and this drains you emotionally. Think about it. If you earn more but still have no savings, no investments, and no stability, then of course you'll feel broke. Because money doesn't create peace unless you turn it into security. But here's the good news. You can break this cycle completely. And the solutions are much simpler than you think. The first solution is awareness. Pay attention to when your spending increases. If your income grows but you adjust your lifestyle instantly, you'll never feel the difference. Instead, try applying a simple rule. Every time your income goes up, increase your lifestyle only a little, but increase your savings or investments a lot. This is how people who earn average salaries end up becoming wealthy over time. Another powerful solution is setting emotional anchors. Ask yourself, what am I actually trying to fix with this purchase? Because most lifestyle inflation doesn't come from need. It comes from emotion, stress, boredom, comparison, insecurity. When you understand the emotional trigger, you take control back. And here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop trying to look rich. Start trying to be rich. Rich people don't buy things to prove they're wealthy. They buy assets to make sure they stay wealthy. But the most important solution is having a plan. A simple one. A structure where every dollar has a job. When your money has direction, your brain feels safe. And when your brain feels safe, financial stress disappears, even if nothing else changes. So if you ever wondered why you still feel broke even when you earn more, now you know. Your income changed, but your habits didn't. Your lifestyle grew, but your stability didn't. Your expectations rose, but your clarity didn't. And the moment you reconnect money with purpose, everything shifts. You start keeping more of what you earn. You start feeling in control again. You start building wealth quietly, consistently, and confidently. Because at the end of the day, feeling rich isn't about how much you make. It's about how much peace your money gives you. And that begins the moment you take your financial life back into your own hands.